大家好，欢迎来到苏敏中文。Hi guys, welcome to Mistake2 Chinese. English speakers making some mistake when learning Chinese, and they tend to consolidate those bad habits early on, making it difficult to correct them later. So today we will talk about the 3 common mistakes that always happen to beginners and intermediate learners. What are common mistakes in Chinese? First mistake, you use word-by-word translation when you're speaking in Chinese. This is common for students who are beginning to learn Mandarin. Instead of converting the sentences into Chinese, you simply translate each individual word that puts the sentences into English order. But what you need to do is put into a Chinese word order. For example, I will work on Monday. If you want to use Chinese word order, we need to use 我 subject plus 将在 verb plus 周一 times plus 工作 verb. 我将在周一工作。Second mistake, Chinese pronunciation. If someone teach you to use English pronunciation to memorize Chinese pronunciation, please don't do it. This is a very common problem in every level. Beginners and intermediate students tend to equate Chinese songs to English songs. In so many ways, they are not the same. Once you get into this habit, this is difficult to go back. You can see this example. This is the wrong way. Don't use it. Third mistake, using Chinese calendars are not important. Many learners feel that Chinese calendars are difficult to understand and write. Usually their main focus is to be able to communicate with Chinese people, but those students getting stuck in the end. In China, almost all visible information is shown with Chinese calendar, not pinyin. If you are in China, even you can't recognize a sign without knowing calendars. Once you want to understand more complex sentences, you need to know the calendars for the thought you want to express. Study basic sentences pattern in the beginning and try to apply them before moving on to more complicated sentences structure. Watching and learning my Chinese sentences structure video, you will build in Chinese sentences well. I hope this video helped you to solve some problem and you can find your mistake in time. If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out our learning tips.